Hey, welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into an eye-opening topic that affects so many of us, belly fat. But fear not, because we have the ultimate guide on what foods to avoid to maintain a slimmer waistline. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of our valuable health tips. Let's get started. Foods that cause belly fat? We all know that a healthy lifestyle is key to keeping belly fat at bay. But did you know that certain foods can sneakily contribute to that unwanted bulge around your midsection? Say goodbye to sugary drinks, processed snacks, and fried foods. These culprits are notorious for causing insulin resistance and inflammation, leading to those pesky fat deposits. Processed foods, a hidden enemy. Processed foods may seem convenient, but they're also major contributors to belly fat. Loaded with artificial additives and lacking nutrients, they can easily lead to overeating and weight gain. Opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods instead to win the battle against belly fat. The sugar trap. Sugar, the sweet saboteur. Excessive sugar intake can lead to fat accumulation around the waistline. It's time to put the brakes on sugary drinks, candies, and those tempting pastries. Instead, focus on fresh fruits and veggies, whole grains, and water to satisfy your cravings. The sneaky trans fats. Trans fats are the sneaky culprits hiding in processed foods like fried treats and baked goods. Not only do they increase LDL cholesterol, but they also lead to belly fat buildup. Read those food labels and steer clear of these unhealthy fats to protect your heart and waistline. The alcohol dilemma. We all enjoy a good time, but excessive alcohol consumption can lead to belly fat accumulation. When the liver prioritizes breaking down alcohol over fat, guess where that fat goes? Yep, straight to your midsection. Moderation is the key. Opt for healthier alternatives, and remember, your liver will thank you. Foods that help reduce belly fat. Now that we've identified the culprits, let's focus on the heroes: high-fiber foods, healthy fats, lean protein. These are your allies in the fight against belly fat. Incorporate fruits, veggies, nuts, and lean meats into your diet to feel fuller and satisfied for longer. Lifestyle changes for a slimmer waistline. It's not just about what you eat. It's about how you live. Regular exercise, sufficient sleep, stress management. These lifestyle changes are essential in your journey towards a slimmer waistline. So lace up those sneakers, meditate, and catch some Z's. Your body and belly will thank you. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on avoiding foods that cause belly fat. Remember, it's all about making informed choices and adopting healthier habits. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's all embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier lifestyle. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned for more tips from the healthy style. Don't forget to like and subscribe.